We spend thousands of dollars on camera and lenses. We are just one touch away to spoil the entire shoot. Today I am going to show you a safe way of cleaning your camera and lenses without scratching your glass or frying your sensor. Stay tuned. Okay friends, I am back with my setup, and first, the ground rules: never use your t-shirt. It is full of abrasive fibers. Air blower for loose stuff. Then you need a soft brush. I always have this lens pen in my camera bag. Most of my camera bag have got each of these. It has got this brush, which microfiber cloth for smudges. And the last is one thing, you need a lens cleaning liquid for any greasy stuff which is left on your lens. I'll start. First use air blower to remove hard particles which could scratch your glass if it is rubbing right away. Always I do this. You can blow it with the blower, and then what I do is I have a brush with me and try and take out the dust on the filter. I'm showing you the filter. You can do this on your lens element also, but that's why I always have a filter. And if you want to give a wipe, what I do is always take this lens and blow my breath and just wipe it in a circular direction, and you will have a circular direction outward, and you will see the lens is clean. I always take out the dust from the lens cap also, so this will not enter the lens element. And then if there is more stubborn dust, I always clean it. So always leave the cap on it. Next is your rear of the lens. Same way, I do a blower, take out the dust. I can see it's a bit clean. If there is more sticky dust, I would use the brush to clean, and make sure your lens cap is clean, and blow it and close it. So I will show you how to clean your camera. Never clean the sensor. If you find any dust, always I do is turn on the camera, and you should always hold it upside down and little bit of the blow downwards. To clean the camera, I always have the microfiber. I just wipe down the screens. You can wipe down the screen this way, always in circular motion. Always in a circular motion. If you see dust, you can take it out from the viewfinder. So the dust with the lens, with the brush, you can take out the dust from the viewfinder. Always take out dust from near the lens cap. This could save from penetrating in the lens or the sensor. Keep your lens cap on when you're not shooting, and your gear will last you a lifetime. If you like the video, please hit the like button. I'd just like to end this video as a pro tip. Sensor cleaning is always at your own risk. I would recommend you to go to a pro who runs a service center. Otherwise, like most of the amateurs, give a wipe and they don't do it properly, and they end up using the camera as a paperweight. So thank you for watching.